Here's a Silverstone HTPC. I went with the Seasonic fanless. I got 3 120mm fans blowing air into the 7 hard drives there. You can see there's 3 of them blowing straight up. Got the optical drive. Then I got 2 120mm blowing into the bay with the processor. There's the processor fan. And then I got 2 80mm blowing out of the case here. That keeps it pretty cool. Pretty cool. 21 terabytes worth of hard drive with a SABERTOOTH 990FX. I just threw a little AMD processor, a little quad core AMD. Works pretty sweet. No problems as of yet. Of course, the G.SKILL Ripjaws RAM. And it's a Sapphire graphics card that's all self-cooled too. So it's actually, this is as loud as it ever really gets, which is way quieter than a PlayStation 3 or any of that nonsense. And there you go. That's it. Here's how I have it set up. We got, I did Windows 7 with it. We tried Linux, or Linux, whatever you want to call it. Didn't seem to work too well. We had a lot of problems, a lot of compatibility issues. It didn't work with the games. It didn't work with some of the movies. And a lot of the other programs that I wanted on here, it just didn't work with. But here's how we rearrange the movies. We got our TV shows here, movies, A through C, D through L, M through S, and T through Z. We had to split them up because these files were so big. But yeah, they got all the picks and everything. It's got the 920 in here. And we got the children's music, or it's got all kids stuff in it too. Here's D through L, got 1445 in there. M through S, 1312, that's right there. There's all the drives we got going right now. As you can see, a lot of them are pretty full. And we left off T through 1312 there. 1429. And our TV shows. Got our music. Music, I got the music videos and music. We got a lot of stuff in here, so I don't know, it's better to show you this way probably. This is just personal pictures and home videos and stuff. Yeah, here's the music, so we got 34 gigs out of the 2.72 gigs left. And I only went with the 16 gigs of RAM. I used 2 of the Ripsaw 8 gigs in there. I decided not to go with 32 gigs. This is fine for what I'm using it for. I'm basically just using it for HTPC. So even though we do have all the games, yeah, we got games up there too. We got a bunch of stuff. So and that's my computer system.